Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Archana here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make black gesso at home. And for this we need very few things like baby powder, black acrylic paint, PVA glue, and printer ink. So basically gesso is used to prime the surface. It dries hard and matte in finish and makes the surface more stiff and ready to accept any medium like acrylic paint or spray paint. So to start with, I'm going to add 4 spoons of baby powder, and you can use marble dust or plaster of Paris, but as of now I have baby powder with me, so I have used that and it works great for me. Next I added 1 spoon of PVA glue and 1 spoon of black acrylic paint and 2 spoon of printer ink. The purpose of using printer ink is because it's highly pigmented, so we need less amount of acrylic paint, and you can totally skip this printer ink, but I recommend you to use this, or else you will end up using lot of black acrylic paint. Okay, so give it a good mix, and you can adjust the consistency by adding water, but here for now I don't think water is needed, so I haven't added water in this recipe. So as you can see here, all things are nicely mixed, and I pour this gesso in a airtight container, and our gesso is ready to use. Now it's time to check how it works. So I have tried this gesso on my old canvas, and I totally love the way this gesso covers the surface. In my next video I will create something on this canvas, so stay tuned for that. Hope you all have enjoyed this DIY. If you haven't joined me on my other social media, then do join. All my social media links are in the description box below, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another project soon. Till then, bye bye, take care and happy creating.